I thought I would record a video showing how I tweaked the projects and goals databases so that the filter for goals without projects would maybe be a little bit closer to what we're actually looking for. And I'll show you what that means. So first on projects, since we have the statuses of not started, in progress, completed, dropped, and failed, and we only want to show, and we want to know with goals how many have current projects, which I would say are ones that have either not been started yet or in progress. Because if they've been completed, dropped, or failed, then either the goal is achieved or dropped, or it's something that needs additional projects for. So what I would do for that is create a new field, which I'll call is current, and I will make that a formula. And when we edit that formula, we will say where the status is either not started or status is in progress. Done. So now you'll see that this shows that this is current because it's not started, but if we change it and say, oh, we completed this, then it's no longer a current project. Next, we go to our goals, and you'll see that I do have a projects relation already. So what I will do next is add a field that is let's call this current projects, and make that a roll-up. And for that roll-up, we'll say where projects is current, number of them that are checked. And you'll see now all these are zeros except for the one, meditate daily, because that's the only one that has a project right now. And then we can tweak it. So this is already on a view that I create. We have all goals, and then I have active goals without projects. So we'll filter that. So the first filters are going to be what are considered active goals. So we're going to say where status is to achieve. Well, actually, we'll say, I'm going to change it. I'm going to say is not achieved and status is not dropped, because we'll just keep everything as ands, and current projects equals 0. So what that'll do is it'll show everything that is basically a current project, so something that has not been achieved or dropped yet, and then it has a current projects of 0. So, and then at this point we can hide that one too because we don't need that. And so now we can toggle between all goals, which includes meditate daily, and active goals without projects, which no longer have that. And then if we go into projects and we complete this, and again, this can be hidden. When we go back to goals, you'll see meditate daily is there again because it's a never-ending goal. So it's still a current goal, but there are no current projects associated with it. So I thought that was an interesting addition. It's getting a little nitpicky. Obviously, you could do all sorts of weird things, but I felt that just counting the number of projects would be useful for when you were just starting. But as far as a long-term process, would probably not be the ideal calculation. So there you go.